In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Excel to Google Sheets. If you have an Excel file that you want to edit, share, or collaborate on using Google's online tools, the process is very simple. Google Drive lets you upload your existing Excel document and then convert it into a fully editable Google Sheets file in just a few clicks. I'll walk you through the entire process so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. To get started, open Google Drive in your web browser. Once you are there, look toward the upper left area of the screen and click the New button from the menu that appears. Choose File Upload. This will open your computer's file browser, where you can locate the Excel document you want to convert. Select the file and confirm the upload. Depending on the size of the file and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. After the upload is complete, find the Excel file inside Google Drive and double-click it. This opens a preview of the file so you can make sure you selected the correct document. At this stage, you are still looking at the Excel version, not the converted Google Sheets version yet. That's important to keep in mind, especially if you want to preserve the original file while also creating a Google-friendly copy. Next, move to the top of the screen and click File. In the drop-down menu, choose Save as Google Sheets. As soon as you do that, Google Drive will create a new version of the file in Google Sheets format. This gives you the flexibility to work in Google's cloud-based spreadsheet environment while still keeping the original Excel file in your Drive if you need it later. Once the conversion is finished, a newly converted Google Sheet will open automatically in a new tab. This is the version you can now edit, organize, and share using Google Sheets features. If you plan to collaborate with others, this is the file you'll want to use going forward. And that's it. You've successfully converted an Excel file into Google Sheets. If you want to stay organized, it can also help to rename the new file clearly so you can easily tell the difference between the original Excel upload and the converted Google Sheets version. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.